Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your TCL 605. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and make sure if you're using them as a wired headphone, then inspect the headphone jack for any possible damage or debris that may be inside of it. Now after that, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So if you're restarting your phone, I recommend doing it the most easy way. So click the power button, the volume up button, and now click restart. Now our phone is restarting. It was very quick and simple, and I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now after restarting the phone, try another pair of headphones. So do not use your original ones, try another pair and see if the issue is with your original headphones or not. After that, what you guys can do is check for software updates to fix any glitches that might be here. So unlock your phone first. After you unlock the device, what you guys can do is go over to the settings, and in those settings we need to go over to the bottom, completely to the bottom, to the system. Now let's click on system update, and here make sure that you're running the latest version of your TCL UI. I'll double check it for you guys. I'm running the latest version, and if you're not, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very good, and I recommend you updating it because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the headphones not being detected. So after that, if you're using wired headphones, you guys can try and clean the headphone jack with a toothpick or a small brush to remove any dust or debris that might be hidden in here. But if you're sure that there's nothing wrong with the headphone jack and maybe you're using an adapter for USB-C, then check the charging port, check anything, and basically check for hardware issues, because it might be the issue. And now for the last one, what you guys can do is factory reset the device as a last resort, and you do it in the system, now reset options, and erase all data as a factory reset. Now after you do that, basically it should be all fixed. But if there's still some issues, then I recommend you guys visiting a service center to get a more professional diagnosis and get a checkup made by a professional and not me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.